Open Start and click on Setting. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. Click on Change. Turn it on. Enable Allow apps to access your microphone. Scroll down and check if your apps can access your microphone. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your microphone. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open Recording tab. Select your microphone. Set as default. Click on Apply and OK. If that didn't work, right-click your microphone and select Properties. Raise the volume level and check if can hear your microphone. Now press Apply and OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Expand audio input and output. Right-click your microphone and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. Now your driver is updated. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Expand audio input and output. Right-click your microphone and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Uninstall Device. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.